everyone, I'm Shalaka Pawar and you are watching The True Gourmet. And in today's episode, I have a very special person with me. My niece from Australia, Twisha. Hey Twisha, say hi.
Hi everyone.
And today Twisha is going to make an amazing recipe for us. Twisha, what are you going to do for us?
Chocolate chip cookies.
Yes, we are going to make chocolate chip cookies because hey, who doesn't like chocolate chip cookies?
I love them.
So let's get started. Twisha, tell us what ingredients you have here.
So we have some flour, some sugar, then we have some brown sugar, then we have some salt, baking soda and baking powder. Then over here we have some vanilla, egg, butter and chocolate.
That's great. So should we start making the cookies?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do we do first?
So first we need the sugar, the
Okay.
regular sugar. Then we need the brown sugar. Then after we did that, we need to put the butter in it. Then
Okay.
Shalaka Mausi will mix it very well.
Alright, so I'm gonna put this butter in the sugar. We've taken brown sugar and white sugar. All the ingredients and their measurement are in the description box, so please refer the description for measurement. Now I'm gonna whisk this really well.
Make sure it doesn't splatter on me.
It won't.
Wow! Mixing so much!
Alright, so we've whisked this very well. It's nice, light and fluffy. What do we do next?
Add the egg and the vanilla.
Okay.
And then Shalaka Mausi is gonna whisk it very properly.
Yes, so this is the egg. We have one egg here. And then I have, yes, eggy and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I've added it here and
Vanilla extract.
yes, and I'm again going to whisk it till it's nice, soft and fluffy. Now that we've added the egg in this mixture and it's really well combined, I'm going to add the baking powder, the baking soda and the salt to this flour that we've taken. I've also whisked the flour. I've basically taken all-purpose flour, the regular one. And what do we do next, Twisha?
Then we're gonna add the dry mixture to the wet mixture.
Alright, so this is our dry mixture. We're just going to mix it really well, maybe with a spoon. And then we're going to combine this with the wet mixture using a spatula. You want to combine it, Twisha? Alright, combine it. Okay,
This is combined now.
great. So now what do we do next?
Well, can I taste it first?
Okay, you can taste it. It's cookie dough and by the way, it tastes really amazing. Let me also taste a little bit. It's nice. And the hero is still not in the batter. And what's the hero here?
The chocolate chip and the dairy milk.
Yes, so we have some chocolate chips here. These are dark chocolate chips and we have some milk chocolate. Both are in equal proportion. You can use any milk chocolate of your choice. Twisha's favorite milk chocolate is dairy milk. So we have dairy milk in here. Twisha, do you want to add this?
Yeah, the whole thing?
Yeah,
Okay.
add the whole thing. Yay! And now we're going to combine this with the chocolate chips.
Yeah, I can't wait to have chocolate chip cookies.
Same here! Now the mixture is well combined. Our chocolate chips are in it. What do we do next?
So we're gonna use the spoon and make equal portions and put it in the tray.
Alright, so you can just make some small balls and put it in the tray. I'm using tablespoons because it's easier for me to put equal portions in here.
Yeah, easy for me.
It's also easy for you, correct. So what I've done here is I've taken a baking tray, I've lined it with parchment paper and all we need to do is now scoop out some cookie mixture
I want
like
it too.
this, yeah, and just maybe do it like this, a little heaped
You want to
portion.
keep it a bit aligned, right?
I want to keep it a bit aligned, correct.
So
I'm
we
just gonna,
proper cookie.
yeah, yay, it's right. Now we're gonna put more such cookies on the tray. Twisha, you want to do this?
Yeah.
We have now scooped out 9 cookies on this baking tray. Well, we have so much cookie dough still left and don't worry, this is the beauty of these cookies. Even if you want to bake these later, you can just store them in the freezer, put it in a cling wrap or a nice airtight plastic bag and these will stay for almost 3 to 6 months. So you can bake fresh cookies anytime you want. So even now, we are going to bake only these 9 cookies. I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. And now I'm going to bake these cookies for almost 8 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So
let's go!
Our cookies were baking in the oven and they are completely ready. We usually like our cookies a little more brown. So we bake it for 8 to 9 minutes, not more than 9 minutes. But if you want your cookies to be a little lighter brown, which some of my friends prefer, you can stop it at the mark of 7 or 8 minutes max. It's totally up to you. They're going to taste amazing anyway. So Trisha, they're ready. Do you want to taste it?
Yeah, I want to taste this one.
Okay, all yours.
Can you break it?
Sure, I can break it and let's show it to our viewers how it looks like from inside. Here goes. These are the chocolate chips. Absolutely. You want to taste and tell me how it is?
Yummy! Looks delicious.
These are amazing. So chocolatey. Yum. If you've enjoyed our recipe and loved our little chef here, please don't forget to like the video, comment on it and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next episode of True Gourmand. Till then, bye-bye.